Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your portfolio with Robinhood detailed guide step by. To transfer your portfolio with Robinhood, start by logging into your Robinhood account. Open the app or visit the Robinhood website on your computer. Navigate to the account settings or portfolio section. Look for the option labeled transfer or account transfer. Select transfer stocks or transfer account depending on your needs. Read the information provided about the transfer process. Ensure you have the necessary details of the account you're transferring from. Gather the account number and the institution's name. If you're transferring an entire account, confirm that your current brokerage supports this. Decide whether the transfer will be in cash or securities. Once you have everything ready, select Begin Transfer. Choose the type of. Fill in the required information about your old brokerage account. Indicate the assets you want to transfer. Review your selections carefully. If everything looks correct, submit your transfer request. Wait for a confirmation email from Robinhood regarding your transfer. Keep in mind that the transfer process may take a few days to complete. During that time, you can track your transfer's progress in the app. Once the transfer is successful, review your portfolio to ensure all assets are accounted for. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Robinhood customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.